Hi guys, a brand everybody is fond of, Zara. So it is basically a Spanish brand founded in 1975, founded by Mr. Ortega, Amancio Ortega. So this is one of the brand. An interesting fact, actually, I would like to say, an interesting fact about the brand. The brand itself came prior to the parent company. So in 1975, when the brand was launched, after 10 years in 1985, or after 9 years precisely, 1984, the parent company was founded by Mr. Amancio Ortega only, because there were different brands under the same roof. Because after, also there is a fact that after the 9 years of Zara, he has decided to change the production policies and other stuff. So he believed that there should not be an individual designer. There should be a group of designers team who can probably design the clothes for Zara and other stuff. Uh, yes, so this is one of the interesting fact. Let me just tell you a bit of history about the brand. The Zara brand is basically the name of the Zara. Earlier was it's Zorba, Zorba. So in the place where the first store was supposed to be opened, there was already two bars of the same name, Zorba, because there was a classic film Spanish, Zorba the Greek. That's the name of the film. So they've decided to rename it and to mold the letter into Zara. Though if you notice, there are no double A in the word Zorba, but there was an additional A manufactured luckily by the manufacturer of the letters. So this is how the name came, Zara. So let's discuss about the extension a bit. In 1980, they have first launched their store in Portugal, 2000 in Japan, 1999 in Mexico. In India, they came in 2010. So first boutique they have launched in India, online boutique in 2017. Though they have started their online website in 2010 only in different countries, but in 2017 the online website also was launched in India. Apart from that, they are the ones who have launched RFID tags. So I was very amazed to see that fact. Whenever they have launched the RFID tags, through which whenever a particular article gets sold, the stockroom automatically gets notified that yes, this article need to be replenished. So this is how the auto replenishment happens in their respective outlets. So if we are talking about the product, they generally produces menswear, womenswear, kidswear, and there are 450 million quantities produced in their factories each year for only Zara brand. Though the parent company contains different brands like Polpul and Beer, Zara, Massimo Dutti, etc. But for Zara, they produce 450 million quantities each year, 40,000 designs, and 12,000 new design every year. That's a commendable job because they have around above 2,000 stores worldwide. So it is being believed that whereas the other brands takes 3 months to 5 months to manufacturing a product and getting it delivered to their respective stores, whereas Zara takes hardly 7 to 10 days to produce a product, load into a truck, and then deliver it to the several places. This is how they work. This is how fast they are. So also there is an interesting fact that Zara has a zero marketing policy. So that percentage of the marketing expense they believe that it need to be spent on the extension of the brand. That is why you see the larger store, the biggest store in all of the malls, they spend the money into the expansion. Also, products are basically mostly are the you can say the 60% of the products are basically manufactured in Spain, Morocco, Portugal, and Turkey, and rest all the carry forward articles, the basic articles that you say are the core articles, are basically imported from the Asian markets. and the repeat articles which are available 365 days across any of the store if you visit are the reason of their repeat comeback customers, also repeat buyers. What they expect is a customer should visit 3 times and in an year into the Zara, but it goes up to 17 times in any of the Zara outlet. So yes, this was about the brand. So if you talk about the current situation, the Zara has currently 2259 stores across worldwide in different countries. So they deal with, as we all know, they deal with accessories and perfumes and apparels for kids, men's and women's. Thank you guys. This is about Zara.